Hello guys, Ladakh protest demands sixth schedule and the to what happened explain in detail. So basically we're gonna talk about the background context. Since August 2019, when the Indian government revoked Article 370 and recognized Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh became a union territory without any legislature. This meant Ladakh lost significant autonomy and came under direct central rule, leading to growing discontent among locals who felt stifled. The court demands. The protest centered around four main demands. First is full statehood for Ladakh with a legislature assembly. Second is inclusion under the sixth schedule of the constitution for tribal protection. Third is separate Lok Sabha seats for Leh and Kargil district. Fourth is employment reservation for local residents. What is the sixth schedule? The sixth schedule provides autonomous governance for tribal areas through autonomous districts council that have legislature and administrative powers over hands, forest, water, agriculture, health, and policing. Currently applicable to northern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram, Ladakh's 97% tribal population has been demanding similar protections timeline of event leading to violence. In September 10, 2025, climate activist Sonam Wangchuk began a 35-day hunger strike demanding statehood and sixth schedule protection. On 23rd September, Tuesday evening, two elderly hunger strikers, Tizaring Anukchuk, 72 years old, and Tarsi Dolma, 60 years old, collapsed and were hospitalized in critical condition. This became the intermediate trigger for younger anger. September 24, the situation exploded into violence. The violence day, September 24 morning, youth organization called for a shutdown in a lay after the hospitalization incident. Thousands gathered and martyrs ground in solidarity. 11:30 a.m. violence erupted as protesters clashed with police. About 2,000 protesters broke away from the main crowd and began marching through Leh. What happened? Protesters set fire to the BJP office in Leh. A police vehicle was searched. Government officers were attacked, including the chief executive council of office. Protesters pelted stones and security forces. Police initially used tear gas and lathi charge, then resorted to leaf firing in self-defense. 4 p.m. the violence was brought under control. Casualties and impact. There's a protester killed, men aged 19, 20, 23, and 46. This marked the first fatal violence in Ladakh since it became a union territory in 2019. Around 80 to 100 people injured, over 30 police and CRPF personnel wounded. Some injuries were critical, with report of limb loss.